Hello and welcome to Python, the place to learn Python and data science. In this video, you are going to learn how to load an Excel workbook with the help of Openpyxl module. The function you are going to use is load-workbook function. Now let's start our work. First, we will need to import Openpyxl module and OS module. Import OS, import Openpyxl, and both these modules are imported. After that, the first method to load a workbook Excel file. First, you are going to find out your current working directory, os.get current working directory, and it is d python 36/32. Now either your file should be in this current working directory or you will use some other method. So first case is your file is in this current working directory. You are going to load this test file. Now WB is the reference, and you are creating to that workbook. WB is equal to openpyxl.load-workbook, and write the name of file, which is testfile.xlsx in quotes, single quotes or double quotes, both will work. And you can see here with the help of type of WB, it is a workbook class file. Now the second method is, let's suppose you have a folder and you have many Excel files in that folder. In this case, you have a folder Python on your D drive, and this folder has many Excel files, and you want to read all those files, or you have to read those files. So you will change your current working directory, os.chdir, change your current working directory, and you are making dpython your current working directory. Then checking this os.get current working directory, if the directory is changed or not. Yes, of course it is changed. Now dpython is your current working directory, and your Excel files you are trying to load or work on should be in this working directory. We are going to create a second reference, WB2, to load the second file, this my Excel file. So WB2 is equal to openpyxl.load-workbook, and you will only provide the name of file, my Excel file. And checking the type of this reference, type of WB2, and of course openpyxl.workbook.workbook. The file has been loaded successfully. Now the third method is, you want to load a file not from your current working directory and you don't want to change your current working directory. Then what you can do is provide a complete path to your file. So first write the path. Let's suppose the file is in your E drive and testfile1.xlsx. This is the file name and it is located on your E drive. You will write a path variable. Path is equal to E and test1.xlsx. Now uploading third reference, WB3 is equal to openpyxl.load-workbook, and you will provide it path, path variable without quotes, and type of this is WB3 is a workbook. So WB3 is also a reference to Excel workbook. So the first method is, your Excel file should be in your current working directory. The second method is you should change your current working directory, or the third method is provide a complete path of your file. Please like and subscribe Pydemy to get videos about Python and data science.